Now, I will tell you the story of how Aphrodite was born. But first, I must tell you about another god. That god is none other than Cronus. Do you remember him? He was the father of Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Hestia, Hades, and Demeter. It was thanks to Cronus that Aphrodite came into the world. Cronus attacked Uranus and threw a part of him into the sea. From that very spot, beautiful bubbles began to form and rise gently. It is said that this was where the beautiful Aphrodite first appeared. Now, I will tell you the whole story. I hope you will enjoy it. Cronus was the son of Uranus and Gaia. Uranus and Gaia had many children, and some of them were quite frightening. The Cyclopes were giants with a single eye, and the Hecatoncheires had many heads and 100 arms. Uranus was a very strict father. He was not happy about the Cyclopes and the Hecatoncheires, even though they were his own children. He was ashamed of their appearance.
You shame me. You are not my children.
Uranus locked them away deep inside the earth. When Gaia saw this, she was filled with anger.
Uranus, I do not forgive you. I will make sure you can never have children again.
Gaia fashioned a sharp sickle and summoned her children.
I will make the one who overthrows Uranus the king of the gods. But once you become king, you must free your brothers imprisoned in Tartarus.
While the others were afraid of Uranus, Cronus was the only one who stepped forward.
I will overthrow Uranus.
Gaia was overjoyed and handed the sickle to Cronus. That night, Cronus crept into the chamber of Gaia and Uranus. When Uranus was not paying attention, Cronus struck him and took away his power. Then, he cast a part of Uranus into the sea. From that very place, beautiful bubbles began to form, and from them, the goddess Aphrodite was born. After that, Cronus became king of the gods. But when he became king, he refused to free his brothers from Tartarus. In the end, he broke his promise to Gaia.
I made you king, and now you are breaking your promise.
Gaia cursed Cronus.
When your child is born, you will be stripped of your throne.
If you are curious about what happens next, be sure to watch The Birth of Zeus.